Hi, I'm Renee Oswald, and today I'm making a Chia breakfast boost. It's amazing. This has 500 calories, and it will sustain you for 4 hours. And it's an overnight breakfast, so you can make this the night before. It's best if you make it the night before, and then just stir it up and add some fresh fruit to it, and you've got breakfast. You start with chia seeds, so you just put those in there. With your milk, with your coconut milk, almond milk, whatever milk you have, about a half a cup of milk, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Gives you a great energy. Mix those together so they don't clump, but that's all you have to do is mix it with a spoon and then pour the rest of your ingredients in there, which is chopped almonds, a little cinnamon, little maca to give you great energy, a little flaxseed, some hemp seed, shredded coconut, pumpkin seeds, any dried fruit you want. I'm putting mulberries in here, but you can put raisins or dried cherries or anything you have. One Brazil nut. Brazil nuts are amazing. They're good for you, the psyllium you need for the day. And that's it. Mix that together. It will thicken. That's all you do. Put this in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, you'll have breakfast. And just add some fresh fruit. If you want to add a little yogurt, whatever you want to add to it. A little more milk if it's too thick. That's it. For more recipes like this one, check out our website and our social media channels, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.